Every week, Silicon Valley launches another AI tool that promises to replace your job, your team, or your entire business. Most of that is marketing. So I took the 5 most hyped AI tools of 2026, used each one on real work for at least a week, and threw out the ones that wasted my time. Spoiler, only 2 are worth paying for. 3 of them, skip them completely. Let's go tool by tool. Hype tool number 1, autonomous AI agents. The pitch is irresistible. An AI that plans, clicks, and finishes multi-step work while you sleep. In practice, on real tasks, it got stuck in loops, asked for confirmation every 2 minutes, or confidently did the wrong thing. You spend more time supervising the agent than doing the work yourself. For most people in 2026, this is not ready. If you need help, give a clear task to Claude or ChatGPT and stay in the loop. Verdict, skip. Hype tool number 2, AI gadgets. Pins, wearables, tiny devices that claim to replace your phone with a smarter assistant on your chest. Cool demo videos. Terrible daily drivers. They're slow, the battery dies, the screen is missing when you need it, and the moment you leave perfect Wi-Fi, the magic disappears. Your phone already has better microphones, better cameras, and better AI apps. Verdict, skip the hardware hype. Put that money into a tool you'll actually open every day. Hype tool number 3, fully automated YouTube AI. Upload a topic, get a finished video, post every day, print money. I tested a few of these stacks. The videos look fine for 5 seconds, then fall apart. Generic scripts, stock footage that doesn't match, robotic pacing, and audiences bounce. Worse, YouTube is actively pushing down low-effort mass-produced AI content. If your channel is built on that, you're building on sand. Verdict, skip. Use AI to speed up research and editing, not to replace having something real to say. Hype tool number 4, and the first one that survived, NotebookLM. You upload your PDFs, notes, and links, and it answers only from your sources. That alone kills most AI hallucinations for research. The audio overview feature turns a pile of documents into a podcast-style briefing you can listen to while walking. I used it to prep scripts and summarize long reports in minutes instead of hours. It's free for most use cases, and it actually respects your source material. Verdict, keep. If you do any research at all, this is an easy yes. Hype tool number 5, and the second keeper, Kerser. Yes, developers already know it. But the hype is finally matching reality for everyone else too. You describe what you want in plain English, and it writes, edits, and debugs across your whole project. I watched beginners ship small working tools in an afternoon. Experienced builders report finishing in hours what used to take days. Unlike the agent hype, Kerser keeps you in control while removing the boring parts. Verdict, keep. If you build software, or you've been afraid to start, this is the one tool from this list that can change your output this month. So that's the scoreboard. Skip autonomous agents, skip AI gadgets, skip fully automated YouTube tools. Keep NotebookLM for research, and keep Kerser if you build things. Notice the pattern. The winners don't promise to replace you. They make you faster at work you already understand. That's usually the tell. If a tool's marketing sounds like a miracle, it probably isn't. Next video, I'm comparing ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini on the exact same real job. Subscribe so you catch it. See you in the next one.